The future is coming. Time to meet a new paradigm and advance. Experts from around the world would like to present a new paradigm of the manufacturing technology industry through the innovation of manufacturing technology at SIMTOS 2022 International Manufacturing Innovation Conference. SIMTOS 2022 International Manufacturing Innovation Conference consists of 6 topics and 22 sessions. Please register by May 20th, and 50,000 Korean won of the participation fee will be returned as a gift card by attending the conference. SIMTOS 2022 International Manufacturing Innovation Conference. It will be held from Tuesday, May 24th to Thursday, 26th in Ilsan, Korea. Please go to the SIMTOS website and register for the conference by clicking Additional Events tab and then Conference.